Make a camping trip enjoyable for everyone. When you go camping, you probably cannot order a pizza or just run a few minutes down to the store. You have to make sure that you have everything ready before you leave. To have some ideas of what to pack and what to expect on your camping trip, keep watching. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the bloodstream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. When you are camping, a necessity for your gear is a survival knife. This is the most important part of your camping gear. Buy a high-quality survival knife, not just the cheapest you can find. Your life may depend on it. These knives are all very similar. They have a long blade serrated on one side and a hollow handle. Inside the handle you can carry fishing line, hooks, a compass, and matches as a small survival kit. Keep an eye on the weather. Rain or other conditions may impact your travel time and your experience at the campsite. Make sure that you have gear that is appropriate for the weather conditions that you may face. Adjust your departure time as necessary to try and avoid the bulk of the bad weather, if possible. Pack a few shovels if there are children with you on your trip. Kids love nothing better than digging in the dirt, and having the right accessories is crucial. If you have room, bring a bucket too. The children will happily entertain themselves in the dirt while you unpack, set up camp and do everything that you need to do. Use separate coolers for perishables, ice and drinks. While it does not matter if the perishables and drinks go into the same one, make sure to pack your ice separately. This will keep the temperature down so that you will have ice for much longer than you would have otherwise. You need to be fully prepared for anything when you go camping. Now that you have read the ideas in this video, you can be truly prepared to do just this. Keep in mind all that you have read both in the days leading up to your trip and while you are in the great outdoors. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.